du soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, la-la-la.
Hey everyone, this is Tanvir back with another Linux desktop customization video, and today I will show you how to customize your PikaOS desktop. Now, PikaOS already looks pretty good by default, but if you want to make it look a little bit different and you have already seen the end results, and if you liked it, then you can follow this customization video. So let's get started. Alright guys, so the first thing that I am going to do is there is a dock, as you can see, but it is hidden underneath the desktop. So I'm gonna make it visible first. So for that, let's search for extension, and I can go to extension manager. Now extension manager is installed by default in PikaOS. So I can just scroll down over here and then simply look for Dash2Dock, this one. So select that, and as you can see that our dock is visible on the front now. Okay, so after that you can actually play around with these other options as well if you want that sort of look, but for this customization I'm gonna just go with this look. So after that, let's go ahead and actually let's go to extension manager, and over here let's try to add a few more things. System monitor, okay, and I'm going to hide a few things over here. Let's just keep the CPU and the RAM. Okay, and after that I'm going to apply a new GTK theme. Okay, so for that, let's go to downloads, and here I have a project file. You can find the link of this project file down in the description of this video. Let's go ahead and extract it and go inside the project file, and over here click on download links, and here I have the link for the GTK theme. Copy and paste it into the browser, and there is another link for Evolve Core. Copy and paste that, and simply go to files, and I'm going to get this first one, Sweet Dark V40. Click on download, and let's go to this second page and click on Evolve Core. All right, so once I've downloaded those, let's go to downloads, and here quickly extract it. Okay, so once I have extracted this, let's open up a new window and show hidden files, and scroll down, and there is no folder called .themes. So for that, let's go to downloads and go to my project file and right click on an empty space inside the project file, and you're gonna have to look for open in terminal, but as you can see that the option is missing. So to make the option visible, go to your terminal, type sudo apt install nautilus dash extension dash gnome dash terminal. Press enter and type your password if it asks for your password, and press enter, press Y, and it should be available. But before that, type nautilus dash q is going to restart Nautilus. Okay, go to my project file, right click on empty space, and you're gonna find the option called open in terminal now, because we just added that extension to the Nautilus file explorer. And as you can see that we are inside our project file through the terminal. So I'm going to simply type chmod +x and type script.sh, which is this one. So I'm making it executable, and then simply run it. Okay, so this is gonna take a few minutes. Press Y, press enter. Okay, once this is done, let's clear the terminal, and do not close the terminal because I'm going to run another script called script2.sh, and this is not going to take much time. It's gonna be very quick. So this is basically installing some basic packages for us, and you can always look inside the script, opening it up on a text editor. So these are all the commands. Okay, so it's done. So let's close the terminal and let's go back, go to my downloads directory, and now open up a new window, and over here scroll down and look for .themes, and let's go inside Sweet Dark, the theme that I've just downloaded, and actually simply drag and drop it inside the .themes, which is inside the home directory. And after that, simply go to Evolve Core and open up Evolve Core, click on accept, and over here select my theme, select the global theme and select the check mark, and that is basically it. Now you're gonna have to give it a few minutes for it to apply, but you're gonna notice that it has already applied most of the effects of the theme. Or you can simply just restart and it's gonna apply the theme immediately, but we're gonna wait, don't worry. So here's what I'm gonna do next. So let's go to downloads and go to my project file and then click on fish commands, and I'm going to simply install fish of my fish. Just simply copy and paste these lines of commands one by one. Let's copy these 3 lines, copy them, paste it, press enter, and finally this one, copy and paste inside the terminal, and we are done for the terminal. And as you can see, our terminal is looking like this right now. Let's go ahead and give the terminal a different theme. Okay, now you're gonna notice that, let me open up the terminal. Okay, so you're gonna notice that the button, the close button, is missing. So for that, let's go to .themes, Sweet Dark, and go to GTK4, go to gtk.css, and over here Control F on your keyboard to bring up the search box, and after that type close. Scroll down a little bit and look for this line, and here for the colors I'm going to select white color, save it, close it, and after that I'm going to apply the theme again for the effects to take place. So apply a different theme and apply my Sweet Dark again, and this should do it. And as you can see that here is our close button, and the GTK theme for the file explorer is still not here, is still not showing up. So I'm going to simply just quickly restart. Alright guys, so I have restarted my system, and as you can see that this is our Sweet Dark theme, the new GTK theme. Alright, so everything looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and go to my project file, and I have provided some wallpapers. You can apply these wallpapers, or there are a few default wallpapers that are pretty good, such as this one. This looks pretty good, pretty clean, minimal. You can use this wallpaper or simply use one of these, whichever you prefer. Alright, now let's apply the Conky theme that I have prepared for you guys. So search for Conky Manager, and it is actually missing. That is because I'm going to have to install Conky Manager first. So for that, go to my project file, right click on an empty space inside the project file, click on open in terminal, and over here I'm going to simply run this script. So let's make it executable first, and after that simply run it, and this will simply install Conky Manager for us because it contains all the installation commands. Alright, so let's search for Conky Manager and open it, and there is a message popping up, missing dependencies. So let's go ahead and try to fix that. So this should fix the issue. Let's go ahead and open up Conky Manager, and there you go. This is our Conky Manager. Okay. All right, here let's click on this settings icon, select it, go to location, click on add, right click on show hidden files, and go to home and go to .config and then Conky, click on open, select it, click on OK and refresh it. And these are my Conky themes, but I'm going to simply use the first one, Conky 3. All right, so this is our Conky theme, and this is the ultimate setup. And you can add some application to the dock, and let's actually deselect it and select it again, and the weather information is showing. Also you can go to my this text file and to learn how to set up the exact weather information for your location. Is very easy and quick. Alright guys, so this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this customization, and thank you so much for the support. Thank you so much for getting the membership. I really appreciate this. If you got the membership, I really appreciate that, because this really helps me a lot with the expenses, or else I'm gonna have to do some other job. So thank you so much guys. You can get the lifetime membership and get everything, and have everything unlocked for lifetime. And I'm gonna be coming up with more customizations in the future very soon, and it's gonna be better every time. And also, if you like the video, you can give it a like and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. This really helps out a lot. And yeah guys, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.